Oh, hi. Slow down. Shelby, you are too much. What was that? Have you got into Daddy's whiskey? Hey. You're just being lazy. Come here, come here. In here. Shelby. Get in here. Get in here. You're getting tired. Been walking too much today. Look at you go! Look at you go! Oh, I don't think I can do that. Look at you go! Oh. Hey, where you going?